Here's where you can go to enable the show charging options on lock screen, as well as show charging info when you have your always on display enabled. This is for Vivo phones with Android 14 Origin OS 4 software. If you want to be able to view the charging info, go ahead and use the quick access, tap on settings right there. Then in the quick access settings here, you will go down to where it says battery right there. Once in the battery section here, you'll see all these options, then go down until you see battery health and charging. As you are here now, you're gonna see these options go down. You'll see show charging options on lock screen. This is only gonna work with compatible chargers or the original charger of your Vivo phone, and not every Vivo phone will have this option. Most likely the mid-range and up will have these options. And also you got the always on charging. So basically if your always on display is enabled and you plug in your phone to charge, you're gonna see the current charging status of the battery percentage as to how long it takes for it to charge. And of course, if you don't want these, just turn it off from here like it's a